Good morning, student. This is Vasu Amit Banchor, your computer teacher. Welcome to today's class. And student, today we will learn about introduction of MS Access. What is MS Access? MS Access is a popular relational database management system. It is one of the application software of Microsoft Office package. So, students, when we install Microsoft Office package in our computer, then we will be getting Microsoft document, then Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Excel sheet, then spreadsheet, and Microsoft MS Access. And MS Access is used to make a database. Why we are making a database? That if you want information regarding that particular employee section or particular management, if you want any data, then it is easy to access our data. Suppose that if you are in school and our school management is having one software, some database. That database we are having all the informations about our students. That last year suppose students is studying in class 7, so last year record we are having with us. Then this year class 8 students were studying. Now this year we are having the record means we are having the information of our students. So and suppose if you want to access the information of any student, so that time we are having trouble to search the data of that particular student. So because of this, and trouble means that time at the time of searching we are having too much time to search a particular student. Suppose that we are all the records, if we are writing in the register, that register we have to turn the page and we have to search according to the year that the student had year passed on the school, or last year which class, which section. That so in a database, if you make a database regarding the school management, then about the students, so it is easy to access the information about a student. So here with the help of this MS Access we are able to make one database, and database is arranged with different form of tables. The data is arranged, and that table we are entering the values. So here MS Access is widely used by individuals having small scale business within department or large corporations, and also used by hobby programmers to create customized systems by handling the creation and manipulation of data. It is a development environment used to create computer database for the Microsoft Windows family of operating system. So students, suppose that we are having a small business, and that business if we want to make one database, so whatever the things are coming in business purpose, that employee ID, about the our employees, then about the warehouses, that about the storerooms, how many stocks are there in our storerooms, this all that data we have to arrange in one database. And if you want to access, we will easily access by the query command, with the help of query command. So in Microsoft Access, the data is arranged in the form of tables. So all the data we are arranging in the form of tables, and every specific piece of information in a table is known as a value. A value is located at the intersection of row and column. Intersection of row and column means the intersection line of that table, row and column, one cell made, and in that under the cell we are writing the values. Like this we are making table in MS Access. So how to start MS Access? Step wise it is given here. Click start button, then click all programs, click Microsoft Office, then click Microsoft Office 2007. Here in this chapter, in this book, we are giving the example of Microsoft Office Access 2007. 2007 is the version of MS Office. Then the MS Access 2007 screen appears. Now you can create a new database or open an existing ones. So student, here one page is given there. If you are having the database saved here, so you can open by open button, and if you are not having, then you have to select a new database and then create your table and fill the data. Then creating an access database. Before you create a database in MS Access 2007, you must remember the following things. First, what is the purpose of database? So if you are creating a database, so you have to first write the plannings or write the purpose of creating the database. Then what is the purpose, for what purpose you are creating, then who are the users, then how many tables are there, then which type of queries we need, then forms and reports also you have to give. Which type of queries means, suppose you are making a school management. Suppose class 5th student, class 5th A student, roll number 34 you want, roll number 34 student you want data. So with the help of this query, you have to write there the roll number 50, roll number 5A student, roll number 52 or 42. You want some information, then you have to write the query in query box. Then immediately you will getting the information about that particular roll number student, like this. Then Microsoft Access 2007 provide the following way to create a database. First one is creating a blank database. Second one is creating a database by using a template. Third one is creating a database by downloading a template from Microsoft Office online. So here all the three ways how to create a database. First one is creating a blank database. Blank database is there in the book, it is given here. Blank database option is there. So you have to select option from here. Then second one is creating a database by using a template. By using a template means when ready-made form is there, ready-made template is there, ready-made database design is there, only in that database, ready-made database, you have to enter the data. And creating a blank database means you have to create your own table, or which type of fields and how many fields and which how many fields you want, that you have to create by your own. Then third one is creating a database by downloading a template from Microsoft Office online. So third one is, if you don't want to create by your own, and you don't want to see the template also, the templates you are not satisfied with the template data, then you have to go to Microsoft Office online and then download, search and then download that particular template. So first, creating a database by using a template. A template is ready to use database that contains tables, queries, forms and reports needed for performing a specific task. So here template means a ready-made database that contains the different tables, then queries also. So student, if you are making the database, so you have to select a query also, which type of query are have to access in that particular database. Then several templates are displayed in the getting started with Microsoft Office Access page. You can also download templates from the Microsoft Office website to create a database using a template. Follow the given step. So if you want to download any other template, so you can go to Microsoft Office website, and there you will be getting the different types of and different structure of template. Then if you want to create the database using template, then how to create? First, click the local template option from the template categories on the left pane. Then from the middle pane, choose the type of database you want, for example student. And the third step, specify the name of the database in the file name box. So like this you have to create a database. Then fourth one is click the create button. Access creates and opens the database by you. By default a form is opened where you can enter the data, like this. Here the step is given with the picture. See the picture, and then while seeing the picture you are able to create a database. Then second, to create a blank database, we have step is given here. On the getting started with Microsoft Office Access page, click blank database. So if you are creating a blank database, you have to create the click on blank database. Then in the blank database pane, type the name of the database in the file name box. So here you have to write the database name. The second step. Then third step, write the create button. Access creates and opens a blank database. By default, an empty table is open in which you can enter the data. Then third one is after creating the database, one empty table is open. That table you have to write the field name. Here table means, suppose we are giving the table name student. Yes, table name is student. Then student means you have to find out the information of student. So you have to write the field. First field name is student admission number. Second field name is student name. Third field name student father name. Fourth, mother name. Then date of birth. Then date of joining or date of taken admission. Then phone number. Then Aadhaar card number. Then address. Then mobile number. Like this, you have to write the field first, and then after creating the table and writing the field, you have to fill the detail of a particular student. Like this, you have to create the table. You can add a new table to an existing database by using tables group on a create table. The two major way to create a table is using datasheet view and using design view. So student, how to create a table? Two types, using datasheet view and using a design view. So this I will discuss in next class. Thank you.